Out here in South Texas at my Jean Matreu, and he's making us some food. What's going on, Steve?
Just got through that short rib soup.
Hey?
What
kind of food got there, Uncle Steve?
Short rib soup.
And John.
Alright, Steve, what we got there?
Short rib soup.
What's the ingredients?
No.
The ingredients is short ribs, water, garlic, pepper, salt, mushrooms, filet. But she down the last two of my ingredients.
So what was the shout out to, Steve?
That shout out's gonna be long. You need a real video camera for that. Because I'm going from the East Coast down to Florida, cutting back to Texas, going out to Nevada, some parts of Los Angeles. They were cutting back to Chicago.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got a long one, sir, so you have to.
So we need like one of the big movie cameras with stars.
Big shot.
This is the honey bun.
You guys got this? Where'd you guys get it from?
I can't show my wife is showing because it's business. And here's a ham we ate this morning, somewhat what's left of it. Ate that bad boy this morning. Tucano is not too hot.
The kids kind of took down half of that bad boy.
So the good
There's the good half. Put it out here, please.
Yes, indeed. What's going on, Steve?
Happy Thanksgiving for everybody. Here's your bowl of soup, sir. Sit down and eat.
Well, you're putting those dinner, those tiny old dinner. So we'll see you guys around the evening.
When do we cold?
Alright, sister. Where we at? We need some light in there. Alright, where we at, sister?
Your house.
Your house,
y'all. My house is back home in St. Louis.
So your house is back over there.
Tell me for YouTube.
This is Lisa's house, y'all.
Hey.
South Texas is Lisa's house. Everybody knows where I come from. Lisa's house.
Well, I come from my mother. I don't know where you come from.
My mother lives in St. Louis.
Well, hey! Say hi, YouTube land. Well, so far, boys, we ate this little food here, and girls. What's up to it?
The good side.
It's the good half. There's the good half. That's the bad half. They have to make it to that table there. We're trying to get to that table.
We'll be there by about 6, 7:30.
But we're trying to make it there. We got made this here out of the oven. Father out. Now my dermatologist trying to give me a heart attack with his what was it, Steve?
Short rib soup.
All that grease. Well, that's a heart attack victim right there.
It was good though. Good going down.
Last supper.
Bad coming up. I get it.
Going out.
Going out.
That's last supper for your heart attack victims.
I guarantee you. Cá sabe no mundo, sabe no pili. Cá Steve Ayapo. Well, there's Belly Baptist.
CPR.
They need to be shipped to Houston or
The
Dallas.
biggest city around.
Houston or Dallas.
So we'll see you guys later.
Shout out to everyone later. Big shout out. East Coast and West Coast.
This is Mas Grande.
Mas Grande. Mucho. Malo.
Tomahawk.
We're at Paul. We're here to Steve's house for Thanksgiving 2009. And we're taking down the fan. No, I got
I'm gonna pay.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
I don't have to make it long. Not enough of it at least.
Hey, onions. Hey, Tammy. Happy Thanksgiving.
Is that one on YouTube, right?
Huh? Well, you too, baby. Got the kids. Paul is tripping out right now. Why you tell Paul, my Paul fan. Dosta Paul, Dosta, name Paul, name Paul fan. Name Paul.
Oh my God! Look, you got one.
Yeah. You got this not the full table yet. We still got a lot more to come in here. Still got a lot of stuff coming. We're still in action. Islamic heels. Wow.
This is actually.
My name is Duke. You do what I say. Woo woo.
Shout out to my papa in Oak Grove Cemetery. Oak Grove Cemetery. All I know is
my consummate about a fan. Alright, see those shout out, hold on.
My shout out was after I eat.
No. Shout out to Papa in Oak Grove Cemetery. Shout out to Miller in Oak Grove Cemetery. Shout out to Larry in Momoro in Oak Grove
Not even cleaned up. I'm still
Shout out.
my what do you call it?
Shout out to Mohokap, Ozuya, que still in Oak Grove Cemetery. Mohabibi, Yana in Oak Grove Cemetery. Mohopapa in Sacramento. Waya, que still in Sacramento somewhere out there.
I guess it's a cemetery.
Mohokap Billy, que
He's still living, thank God.
No, that's the other cup.
Oh, sorry.
Roddy Miller. There's all shout out. That's my shout out, boys, to the boys. Hope you guys enjoyed it.
Not of town, not town.
Eric, Nikki, how about Big Tom, George, Paul, you still over there? Rocky, Sophia, yeah.
Who are we missing?
There's a cameraman right there.
A lot of people, I know that.
You missing someone.
How about you, Paul? What's
Johnny
your
Ugly.
Ugly Johnny.
R.A., Robert Adams.
Robert Adams, the guy that don't like to talk to me on the computer.
Alex Fox.
Alex Fox, the Polish Chibro, Casasel. Charlie Matuano, Chijan Altun, I don't like the songs, but hey.
Georgie Barreau.
Good guy, man. Sorry.
Georgie Barreau Marocaxas.
Georgie Boyosco, de Matuaya.
Georgie Boyosco.
O Peanut, de Wanyasco.
O Wanya, Inasta. O Robert.
O Jimbo Marokak.
O Jimbo Marokak.
The drugs got affected to the brain cancer.
Wait, a lot of people, alright? We're still halfway not finished, that's way too long. Half the people on YouTube already
Little Rock.
Oh, John.
Yeah.
Little Rock, yeah, John.
Alabama Reds.
Frankie, Bonnie.
Yep.
Hi-Fi Joe.
Hi-Fi Joe, Larry,
Michael, Lonnie, Refrigerator Nick, John, Flick, Dilla. Am I missing someone?
Anthony, my son.
Anthony, my nephew, Russ. Sorry, Russ.
Antoine, baby.
Anthony, Russ, I'm sorry, son.
Who else we got?
It's Sid Rodney, right? His boy.
Yeah. My Napotsy.
All my nephews, all my nieces, all my family.
Y'all did high five myself.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, I did.
Helen's family, Mother's father.
High five to everybody. God bless everybody.
The ones that don't.
We'll get you the pictures.
Ronnie, Gregory.
We'll get you the pictures.
Boys, happy Thanksgiving, happy New Year, happy
Everybody.
Kwanzaa.
Thank you for not answering my phone.
Joe, you tell the fucking Joe.
Am I coming today?
Time to eat. We're going to show you boys.
What's that blue on your shoulder? What's that blue on your shoulder?
What?
The double Steve, since that's too dumb. I'm gonna tell mom. Steve, is you my sister or Jamal?
Am I what?
My sister has a bruise on her Jamal.
Your mother's sister got a bruise?
Hey.
I don't know what she was doing there. It was weird at night time. Lord. We love you guys, and we love to be with you, but we all put it across the country.
Stuck here in South Texas where
And again,
Jesus left his slippers.
and again, we apologize for Don not being here. Corporate Don, he should have been here with us. We apologize.
Should have shout out to Michael.
Oh, and Donald Bodie.
John Annie.
John Annie, John Lee,
Jimmy,
Bruce Lee,
Bob, Chimesco,
Nikki, yeah, Nikki.
Yep. That's it.
Troy, Samantha, forgot about you too. Jordan, Summer, I said that right?